So here's the 5 hidden liabilities that come with buying a home. So once you close on your home, you're going to want to watch this video. Definitely dive into them. Some of them you might know about, so maybe they're not hidden. But for some, doing mortgages for 20 years, I'm always surprised that people seem to miss these. They don't address these things. And then it comes back to bite them in the ass. So in this video, I'm going to explain the 5, what to do, how to tackle them. And also when you're closing on a house the next day, jump on these. You should already be prepared, ready, and there's a good chance that during the upfront process, you can take care of some of these. So that way you're in good standing once you close on the home. So if you did just buy a home, congratulations. Welcome to the home ownership party, the game. I'm excited for you. This video is not meant to scare you, but it's just to wake you up because I've been in this business for a long time, buying homes, buying investment properties, lending to people, managing over 1,500 units. We've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I'll tell you right now, you would be shocked if somebody look at it and say, hey, that must be the most organized, put together person, or they must have everything figured out. There are so many people that somebody might die in a family and the property was not vested correctly. It turned out to be a nightmare. There was somebody that didn't realize their insurance coverage was not proper. There was somebody that didn't realize that you might have this come up or that come up. And they call you and you're like, did you just not know this? And it's like, no, Kenny, I didn't. Because a lot of people don't think about this. They don't know this. They don't understand it. And when they buy a home, they're just busy trying to put the money together, find a house, move out of their other house. They've got family. They got a job. They got a life. They're crazy, busy. And the last thing people are doing is might be watching a video like this and say, what are the 5 things that I need to worry about immediately after closing a home or before? So that way I am deleveraging my risk when I close on a property and I might be open to liability. And how do I protect myself? So if we never met, my name, by the way, is Kenny Simpson. I've been doing this for about 20 years. I focus on 1 to 4 unit financing. That means I help people buy and refinance 1 to 4 unit properties, helped over 5,000 clients, funded billions of dollars of loans. And I shoot videos like this because I want to help you. I want to educate you. And I honestly just want you to succeed, whether you're buying a primary residence, an investment property, a second home, or you're just here to learn because you might be buying a property soon. So in this video today, we're going to break down 5 important things that I commonly see missed. So maybe you get 4 out of the 5, maybe you miss 2 out of the 5, but hey, if you can walk away and get 1 thing that you learn, or hey, maybe you're a realtor, maybe you're a loan officer, maybe you're a potential homeowner, investor, and you have a client, you have a database, share this video with somebody because they can learn. So I took the time, put it together. I want to dive in. I want to help you out. So number 1, what is the biggest thing once you close or before you close you should do? Well, my friends, if you never set up a trust or a will, yes, you're like, oh, I need to do that. I got to get to that. Haven't done that. Guys, it's all good, but it's always all bad when something bad happens. For example, I've had a lot of people pass away quickly, unexpectedly, and the trust, the will, it wasn't set up correctly. It wasn't labeled correctly. What a disaster, nightmare for the suffering family and things like that. So number 1, I would say once you close on a home, go spend the money, go get a trust set up, put it in a trust, protect you, your family, your asset, your hard-earned equity, your work, whatever it may be. It's super, super smart from liability, peace of mind. So please go do that right away. Number 2, the biggest thing that people are like, I didn't know about this. I forgot about this. This is crazy. There's a bill that you're going to get after you close on a home. And I'm going to tell you in this video, but then you'll still forget about it. Then you'll be irritated. Then you'll be like, and that is a supplemental tax bill. And let me explain. When you close on a house, let's say you're in California and you bought it for $1 million. And let's just say your taxes for the year, when you buy it, you know are going to be $10,000. That's what we prepare for. That's what we set up your escrow impound account for, right? That's what you maybe prepaid the upfront taxes to set up that account when you close on your property. But what you're forgetting about is that lender's going to collect it. You're going to pay in. But they typically don't pay supplemental bills. They don't get them. So if they get them, they might not pay them. If they do, if you get it, you could send it to them, they could pay it. They are basically banking that money for you that you're going to pay $10,000 in taxes. But here's the catch. The previous owner bought this property for $250,000. Their taxes were $3,000. The difference is $7,000. So what's going to happen here? Basically, like most people, you're going to get caught if you're not paying attention. So you're going to bank your money. You're going to pay the $833 every month. Boom, boom, boom. And then 6-8 months down the road, you get a supplemental tax bill. Boom. Here it is. Welcome to the party. You're like, what's this? And then you go call your lender and say, hey, Mr. Lender, can you pay this? They go, we don't pay that. And so what happens is now you have to come up with, thousands and thousands of dollars. If you have it, great. If you don't have it, you're frustrated. You're like, oh my gosh, I didn't know what to do. I didn't expect this. That's why I'm shooting this video. So what are your options you could do? Option number one, you pay the bill, boom, you're done. Cool, thanks. And then moving forward, you're now new, your lender where you impound and pay the taxes, the principal, interest, tax, insurance on the payment, they will be making those payments move forward, right? Great. The second thing you could do is you could send the bill to your current lender, the servicing your loan, and they might be able to pay it for you out of the money they've been banking, right? Saving in that escrow account to pay your taxes. Great. Number three, one thing that a lot of people don't know is you could call your current lender and servicer and say, Mr. Lender Servicer, yes, I noticed that I've got, $7,000 in my escrow account. I'm overfunding it. I got a supplemental tax bill. And they're like, well, we don't pay it. No problem. If I pay it, are you going to be able to reconcile this account and send me the check for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 that's overpaid in there? And they'll go, sure, no problem, Kenny. And that's another thing you can do. So make sure you take care of that right away. Make sure you note in your calendar to yourself that this is something you're going to have to deal with. So prepare financially so don't get caught. Number three, homestead. What's that? There's homestead exemption, right? We're talking about the liability. So if you close on a home here, let's say in California, you're automatically put into that homestead of protection. It's anywhere from $300,000 to $600,000. You could fill out some paperwork when you go sell your house where you get protected for 6 more months. It's called declared homestead. You can look that up. But depending on what state you're on, just because you close on a loan does not mean you automatically just get registered as you get the homestead liability protection. So go look up your state, make sure it's automatic. If it's not automatic, you want to go ahead and fill out that paperwork, get it in. Because why? If you get sued, you get a creditor, collection, whatever, and they want to come after your home equity, whatever, you are protected. Number four, one of the biggest things that could cost you dearly is your insurance. Let's say you don't care about insurance. You don't think about insurance. You went and got a home. You got the homeownership policy. You didn't even look at it. You don't care about it, whatever. You put it in your file thing. Great. Everything's good. Everything's good till the shit hits the fan, till there's a problem, till a tree falls through your roof. There's a wind damage, flood damage, hurricane, fire, whatever it is. What should you do is before you actually buy the home, you should be going through your insurance. So if you have a broker, that's why they're good, is can you walk me through what my coverage is? Could you walk me through what else options out there? Should I do this? Should I not do this? What's the cost? What's the expense? What's the risk? What's the liability? Make sure your insurance is adequate. Also in a place like California, if you have to call the replacement value, sometimes they're saying, oh, the replacement value is $250 per square foot or $350. Well, folks, depends where you live. It could be $500,000 per square foot to replace the home. Make sure you just go through this stuff with your broker. You're checking all the boxes and you're properly insured and you're comfortable with what you got. You don't want to set yourself up for failure or bad liability or something happens and you're not covered. It's insane. It happens all the time, more than you think. It's sad. That's because people just not focus and properly take care of their insurance. And the last one. So when you close on your home, and you have your home warranty policy and you know what they cover and what you can get done and not get done, when you close on your home, you're going to want to walk through your house and say, are my appliances good? Is the washer dryer good? Is the dishwasher good? Like, what are the things that are covered in here? Is my hot water heater going to go out? Make sure everything's good. I can't tell you enough. Somebody closed on the home. I don't know why. The freaking refrigerator goes out. The dishwasher goes out. The heater goes out, right? They have roofing problems. They have plumbing problems. I don't know exactly what your policy would cover. Just make sure you know what it covers, especially insurance, because shit can happen. If you're not set up, you're not prepared, you are going to get caught. I hope this video was helpful. Please share this with somebody. If I can be helpful to you, please reach out if you have any questions. Also, love to hear any comments below. Is there anything else I missed on this list that you're like, Kenny, this is something nobody knows about, they commonly miss. This is something you should put in the video so other people that watch this video know about it. I'd appreciate it. Anyways, guys, if you want to get more great information like this, just hit that subscribe button. Also, do me a huge favor, share this with somebody. Until next time, have a great day. We'll talk soon.